Cash App has become quite the buzzword in the world of digital payments, but is it really as convenient and secure as it claims? Today, we're diving into the app's features, usability, and whether it's worth your time and money. Cash App is essentially a mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money with ease. The interface is surprisingly simple, making it accessible for everyone, from tech-savvy users to those who might be less familiar with mobile apps. You can link your bank account or debit card, which makes transferring funds quick and almost effortless. One standout feature is the ability to invest in stocks and even buy Bitcoin directly through the app, which is pretty unique for a payment platform. However, the app's social aspect, like the ability to send money to friends, can be a double-edged sword. While it's great for splitting bills, it can lead to potential misunderstandings about payments. That said, there are some areas where Cash App feels a bit lacking. For example, customer support options are limited, and navigating through issues can be frustrating. Overall, the app does what it promises, but there are definitely some bumps along the way. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the upside, Cash App is user-friendly, making it easy to send and receive money. The ability to trade stocks and buy Bitcoin is a huge plus for those looking to dabble in investing. Plus, the instant transfer feature is a nice touch for urgent payments. However, there are some downsides. The lack of robust customer support can leave users feeling stranded when issues arise. Additionally, there are fees for instant transfers and Bitcoin transactions that can catch you off guard. For some, the social aspect may lead to awkward situations, especially when dealing with friends. If you're looking for a straightforward payment app, Cash App might be worth considering. But if you need extensive support or are wary of hidden fees, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Cash App is a solid choice for quick money transfers and basic investing, but it's not without its flaws. If you value simplicity and don't mind a few quirks, give it a shot. However, if you prefer a more comprehensive support system, there are definitely alternatives worth exploring.